how to create table when we have some information which is not in the format of table, but we need to create the table. Now here take the informations given in the first row, all the alphabets without any space. Then how will we create a table from it? First, we will separate each and every alphabet using a tab, and then just select the informations, means all the alphabets, and go to the insert tab. In the insert tab you will find there is another tab, table, and there is an option, insert table. Use that and you will get the table ready for you. Now you can do the formatting going to the format tab of the table, and whatever format you want to do, you can do it. You also can increase the number of rows just using the tab. So now your table is ready. Okay. Now say you want to add some information in one of the row. Here is the third row and the informations are already available with you. These are the informations. I'm just copying. That copied information again we will create space using the tab, only using the tab, okay, and select it and put it into the third row of the table. To do that, just select the entire row and then paste the information. If you use the only first cell to paste the information, it will be within that cell only. So you need to select the entire row and then paste the information. And the number of cells and number of information should be equal. Okay. You also can do another thing when the informations are not without space but they are having some space. So what we can do, we can replace the space using tab. For that we can use the replace function. You can access the replace function using the Control H tabs or keys together. That will give you the pop-up of the replace box, and using that pop-up you can replace it. Okay, what you will replace? You will replace the spaces using the tab. Now just see what we can do when the replace window will come. Once you will put Control and H together, one pop-up will come. This is the find and replace window. Here in the find what box, you will give the space, means what you want to replace. Okay, and in the replace with box, you will put to the power symbol and small t, that is the format for tab. That will replace the single space and use the replacer. Okay, now close both the windows and see your entire information is now tab spaced. Now you just copy the information and put it into the uh, last row of the information. Again you just check it. If we put it into the last cell only, it will not work. So we will select the entire row and paste the information. If we go to the first cell or any cell only, it will not work. In that case, the entire information will be pasted in the single cell only, which is not our requirement. We want it placed properly, one information in one cell. So that way we need to